Hi, this is Brian Oliva at Getsemani Music. We recently published a video on a deep tuning cycle that the Moog One has built into it to try to fix some of its tuning issues. And people have been asking how well it worked. So today we're going to do an impromptu comparison, comparing a total of 4 synths, some new, some old, just to see how well they all stay in tune over several octaves. So today we're going to compare an older Yamaha PSR-2100, a Moog Voyager, a Moog Grandmother, and finally the Moog One. Let's see how they turn out. And that concludes our test, and I think the results were astounding. All of the synthesizers were able to hold tune within 6 cents over a 6-octave range, and that is exceptional. One note on that, we were only able to test between C1 and C6, and even though the Moog One and a couple of the others could go higher or lower than that, the tuner we're using to test could not. So anything higher or lower would have been lost. We had no way to measure it. But those 6 octaves between C1 and C6 make up the bulk of anything used in modern music. So I think the results are valid. I think they prove that the Moog One's tuning issues are behind us, and that any one of these synths, even the analog ones, are capable of holding tune extremely well. 6 cents, by the way, is about the limit of human perception. They say that the people with the best ears can just barely start noticing a difference between 5 and 6 cents. That's 5 to 6 1/100ths of a semitone. For most normal adults, it's closer to 20 or 25 cents. So for any of these synthesizers we tested today, the majority of the population, even if it was a little off, wouldn't be able to tell. So I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it interesting. If you do, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.